Belle Glow fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for another video. My name is Flo. If this is your first time here, welcome to Belle Glow with Flo. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button if you like it, and hit that notification bell so that you can receive notifications when I post. So today is a very exciting day because I have been mulling over this for months, okay? When I decided to do YouTube, I did not have an updated computer. I was working on an old dinosaur computer that I had from college. Back in 2009, I purchased this computer originally, okay? And it's like a PC, all right? So that thing, the thing was running like a freight train, okay? The machine was angry, okay? And so I decided that this good Black Friday holiday, I would go ahead and do everybody a favor and get myself some new equipment. So I've invested in an MacBook Air. I've got the 2019 latest model in gold. The specs on it are 8 gigs of RAM. I believe it's expandable to 16 gigs of RAM, but I got the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs hard drive. I also decided to go ahead and invest in an iPod Touch. Reason being is because right now I'm using my phone to record, and when I go to the gym to record, the issue that I was having is that I could not listen to my music while I was recording on my phone. I was having to use this old MP3 player thing that I had, and it sucked, okay? So during Black Friday right now, Best Buy is running an amazing sale where they're giving $200 off on the MacBooks, and then there's like $40 or $50 off on the iPod Touches. I didn't even know these things still existed, okay? So when I saw them, I was like, okay, this is a much better solution. In the meantime, as I kind of figure out what camera I want to get, I'm still trying to debate between the mirrorless cameras and the DSLRs. I'm still learning about cameras in general, so I really didn't want to make a purchase just yet as far as cameras are concerned, when my phone seems to be working just fine as far as quality. But when it does become a thing, then I'll go ahead and take that step. But for now, I mainly just needed a laptop to edit on and to work from that wasn't a dinosaur and that wasn't waking up the entire neighborhood every time I had to use it. And then I needed an alternative for the gym so that I could have something to listen to my music on and do things on. This is the iPod Touch 6th generation, I believe, 32 gigs. I did go ahead and order a case for these as well, the laptop and the iPod Touch, but it's supposed to come in tomorrow. Plug that in and I'll let that power on. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look exactly like the iPhone, just like dumb small. Okay, so the pièce de résistance. We've got receipts, none your business. Okay, everything I purchased on my own, all of my hauls, all the products that I buy, all of the equipment that I buy, I've purchased them all on my own, no sponsors. If you want to sponsor, feel free to sponsor, but as of right now, there are no sponsors, okay? Flo is the sponsor. I sponsor myself. Go ahead and open this. So she looks like this, the box, right? Got this, and we've got the 13-inch MacBook Air. It's got the Touch ID. That's the latest technology on these, is the Touch ID that they've added to the MacBook Airs. The weight of this one is 2.75 pounds, so it's a little bit lighter than the MacBook Pro, which I believe is 3 pounds. Go ahead and open. We will start in this here corner with this tab here. Pull that, and that starts to open up the plastic. Well, I like that I've got a bag for the trash. I'm gonna keep the box, keeping the box forever. But my OCD is flaring up. There's stuff everywhere. So, lift off. If it would come off, all right. So, it looks like that. Now, the only thing that I would say that I didn't too much care for with this new model is the lack of USB drives. So I've already ordered a converter hub for my SD cards, micro SDs, regular SD cards, the USB drives, HDMI port, and a couple other stuff, just to make it easier to connect with my other items. So that's the only thing I kind of feel like, why'd you have to go and do that? But whatever, it's Apple. It's kind of expected at this point. Okay, so gold is my favorite color, so you already know I had to get the gold. So this is what she looks like. She's pretty, she's fine as hell, she's sleek. So that's her. And we'll pull this tab on the bottom. I can't wait to get the tab, the paper off. Trying not to scratch her. I'm about to take my ring off because ain't nobody got time for that. So we've got the USB-C charger here. We've got the what is no doubt the sticker and manual, I'm assuming. Our certificate of authentication or something of that nature. Yes, we've got gold stickers. Aren't these cute? Gold stickers. We've got the MacBook Air Essentials little book. Got the little starter book. I'll put that up. And we've got the charger. So it comes in the box. So we've got the cord and the charger. And that seems to be it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the box. We don't need her. We will take the charger out. That's atrocious what I just did there. Oh my gosh. Guys. How you gonna let your good sis do all of that ugliness just now? Okay, so this is the cord. So we'll put the charger box. Why are these tabs so hard to take off? Oh my god. It's so messy. I just want it to come off real sleek like and cute. So, charger. And let's go ahead and get her started. Voila. And so we've got protective coat. In an effort to see this, we're gonna go ahead and select English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
We're going with English. I know what key to press, Siri. Don't be extra. I'm trying to show out in front of all these good people. We are in the United States. Come on now. Okay. Choose a keyboard layout, US. Let me go ahead and put in the Wi-Fi. Just hang on one moment, please. Got the Wi-Fi, it's just connecting now. So data and privacy. Okay, continue. Again, pretty standard Apple products, agreements. Y'all can't see that. Okay, So we've got into terms and conditions. And I've gone ahead and entered my iCloud information, so it's setting up the account. Okay, so we're all done. Well, we're almost done. Let's do the iCloud keychain. You can go ahead and use it. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Store files from documents and blah blah blah. Yes. I've also got the iCloud, so most of my stuff is stored on the cloud. Alright. For the Touch ID, you've got to lift and place your finger. It allows you to select your look. I prefer a dark look, if you couldn't already tell. So, continue. True tone. So, it's fine. Okay, and now we're setting it up. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a go. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. We've now got equipment to bring you amazing videos. Thank you for watching. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like the video and hit the notifications so you can know when I post videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!